Hi, my name is Shannon Lynn, and this is my 15112 term project. So my project is basically a speech-to-text visualizer. However, instead of like normal speech-to-text programs where they just display your text, I'm actually going to be analyzing your speech for frequency, volume, and speed, and using that information to visualize the text in an artful manner. So in order to start, we'll just click this X, and it takes us to the interface. So let's get started. If we click the recording button, this frequency waveform will show up, and this tells us that we have started to process what we're saying, and in the lower right-hand corner, this box has shown up. This tells us text and the average frequency, average volume, as well as average speed. And I'm just going to be demoing a few random phrases, but what we're really going to be looking at is how the frequency, volume, and speed affect the way the speech is displayed. Hello. Thursday. 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 Hello. How are you? So now let's look at the settings menu. So we'll just click here. And as you can see, there are different typefaces as well as an editor menu. So let's look at the typeface menu first. What you saw earlier was the typeface bubbles, but we can also use lines. So let's try that out. Hello? So this is what the typeface lines looks like. So now let's look at the editor menu. So if we click on view, we can look at how the words are actually constructed. So in the program, by default, each alphabet is on a 5x7 grid, and this is how the letters are laid out. So now let's look at the alphabet editor. So we can click on the edit button here, and it says press any letter to edit the grid. So we'll just hit the letter H, for example, and we can start to change the letter by using the delete and add buttons. So if we hit delete, it'll allow us to delete parts of the letter and add on back what we want. So for example, I'm making my H a lowercase h instead. So we can hit save, and if we go to the view alphabet grid, we'll see that our new letter H is here. So if we go back to our main screen, now we can see that our letter H has changed, and you can do this with any of the letters in the letter editor. So that was my 15112 term project. I hope you liked it.